flying an FPV racing drone is an otherworldly experience. Before now, only in movies and video games could most people experience a bird's eye view while racing through obstacles at breakneck speeds. Thanks to FPV quadcopters, hexacopters, and other multi-rotor, anyone with enough flying skill to maneuver a drone can have this experience. Hello guys. Welcome to Drone Diary. Today I am gonna show you the top 5 FPV drones. Please don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. And press the bell icon for more updates. 5. Vfly R130. This unique 130mm racing drone is tiny but powerful. The large capacity brushless motors combined with 130mm size make the drone superbly powerful. Within the carbon fiber frame, this mini racing drone has a clean overlook and well-protected components. Not like other mini drones, Vfly R130 has an attached mushroom antenna to provide a better signal. This is an excellent drone to start off with on your FPV racing journey. Before purchasing, make note that this quad is BNF, bind and fly, meaning that you will need to purchase a remote controller separately before it is fully RTF, ready to fly. 4. Wakera F210 3D Edition Racing Drone. The Wakera F210 3D Edition is one of the most popular ready-to-fly FPV drones on the market. This racing drone features a modern industrial modular carbon fiber frame design that's ultra-durable and crash-resistant. Its flight control system enables stable flight and precise flight maneuvers such as flips, rolls, and racecourse moves. The drone can also come to a quick stop and eliminate the drift due to inertia, lowering collision risk. It is also simple to disassemble and reassemble, which means it's ready to fly as is, or can be customized by the pilot. The Wakera F210 is equipped with a 700 TVL HD camera and a 5.8G real-time image transmission for live FPV streaming. The Wakera F210 3D Edition is a solid FPV racing drone at a modest price for serious racers. 3. Aeris X220V2 220mm Racing Drone. This ready-to-fly FPV racing drone, Aeris X220V2, is fully assembled, tuned, and tested before leaving the factory. Plug the battery, then fly. The new Aeris 2205 brushless motor and 5045 propellers can work together to offer the highest performance. It supports GPS mode, attitude mode, and manual mode. It also supports accurate position hold, return to home with user setup, and intelligent orientation control, IOC. Plus, the Aeris FPV mini camera is specially designed for FPV. This camera performs well in both bright and dark conditions with 1200 TVL high-quality images. The camera angle on the drone is also adjustable. 2. Wakera Furious 215. Wakera Furious 215 will get your adrenaline pumping whether racing on the track or freestyle. Is the latest ready-to-fly racing drone quadcopter. The quad is designed around the F3 flight controller with rapid response speed, providing pilots a first-class flight experience. If you are into racing and freestyle aerobatic flying, this may be for you. The airframe design is modern, simple, lightweight fuselage but with a rugged crash structure. This ready-to-fly racing drone comes with high-performance brushless motors, 5045 inches Clover propellers, and a 4S60C LiPo, to give you that adrenaline rush. 1. DJI FPV Drone. The DJI FPV Drone has created an entry point for FPV flying. It has also shaken up the more traditional offerings from DJI by allowing those who have never flown FPV before to dive right in without needing to build a custom drone or learn specialized piloting skills. Its hybrid design makes it great for both cinematic flying or racing. With a 4K super wide camera and rock-steady stabilization, action-packed footage has never looked so good. The optional motion controller redefines the flying experience by giving the pilot real-time control and feedback within a simple hand movement. The new audience mode allows others with FPV goggles to watch your flight in real time. Other flight modes include. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, you must press the like and subscribe button. And let us know your valuable feedback by commenting below the video.